So today I want to go and talk to you about Bounty, and these are the paper towels. I want to go into them, why I like them, how many sheets you get, how absorbent they are, their strength, all of that. Let's go. All right, so we have Bounty, the quicker picker upper. That's what it claims. So looking at the Bounty paper towel itself, you have a normal select a size kind of square, which to me, I love that because sometimes I have big jobs, sometimes I don't have as big of jobs. As you can see, it does have a like stitching on it, and that is supposed to go and help its absorbency. It's not really that soft, but then again, it's a paper towel, so it's not really supposed to be soft. These paper towels are 2-ply. And so there's 135 of these individual squares per roll. And so I think that's a pretty good value for what you're paying. And dry, it's pretty strong. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. I'm going to spill some stuff on my table. Let's see how fast it takes to soak up. So we have the Bounty towel, and I have two just folded in half, and we're going to see how well it absorbs on first pass. Now I'm just letting it sit for just a few seconds, and it did actually leave some over here in the corner. I know you can't see that, but it did, and I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it again, and it is in fact dry. So 2 paper towels took up that whole mess that was there on the table. We're going to go ahead and test to see how strong it is wet. So this is just fabric softener and water in a little spray bottle. All right, let's see how strong it is slightly damp. It's still really strong. It's still very strong. So I think this is definitely going to hold up to all the scrubbing you need to do, all the spills that you're going to have in your house. So we tested out the Bounty Quicker Picker Upper, the paper towels, and overall, I really liked this. Still, I found that it was absorbent based upon our test. It was strong. It didn't break apart on us. And the sheets themselves and how much you get on the roll, I think is actually a really good price. So if you're looking for an everyday and a good scrubbing paper towel, I think that this is going to be a good choice for you. Now, if you want to pick this up on Amazon, I'm going to go ahead and put a link down in the description where you can have this sent directly to your home. And if you want to see more products put to the test, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.